have a flip of the candle on the 4 hour. So it's just likely it might go up from here. Me now, with all this going on, I would have liked to have seen the rejection on that first bearish 4 hour candle and then use that wick area as the entry for the next 4 hour candle, and we'd already be in profit at this point in time. But that's gone now, and I can't justify that. So my only next steps now are to wait for the 4 hour candle to close. Hopefully it closes bearish, or not bearish, but bullish. If it closes bullish, then I'll do the exact same thing. I will expect that if price is going to continue up, the next 4 hour candle is going to open. It should create somewhat of a wick first before continuing on in that direction. So I'll mark up the open of that candle. I will mark 50% of the previous candle, and then I will look to see how price reacts if it gets to that 50% area.